Hi guys, welcome to iEngineers. Now today we are going to look at the multiple ultrasonic sensors with Arduino Uno. So my name is Krishna. Uh, we'll go with the quick introduction of ultrasonic sensor and Arduino Uno. So here we have ultrasonic sensor and Arduino Uno. Arduino in a Atmega 328 based microcontroller board, whereas it has 14 digital pins and 6 analog pins and 3.3 and 5 volts power output. And here it is an ultrasonic sensor which is used to detect the distance of an obstacle in front of this sensor. So this sensor is mostly used for robots or any to find any distance of any particular object. So what it will do is it has a one transmitter and receiver. This T is showing as a transmitter, this is a transmitter, and here is R, which is a receiver. So it has 4 pins. One is a VCC, trigger, echo and ground. Whereas trigger is an input for ultrasonic sensor, echo is the output from the ultrasonic sensor. Here basically what it will do is, if we place an ultrasonic sensor like this, the transmitter will radiate an ultrasonic waves in air, and whenever an obstacle, the waves whenever strikes an obstacle, it bounces back and received by this receiver. So the time period taken to get back the wave, ultrasonic wave, is calculated by the echo pulse. So we'll receive the echo pulse in Arduino Uno, and we will calculate that echo pulse for calculation of distance of an obstacle. So here I have made multiple ultrasonic sensors with Arduino Uno. Here I have taken 5 ultrasonic sensors connected to an Arduino Uno using a breadboard and jumper wires. So what we'll do is, here we'll see working of it. So what I am doing it right now is, I'm opening my Arduino IDE. You can look at the sketch of my Arduino IDE. It's like it's 41 lines of code, so it is optimized code. Generally we can write down a parallel code for each and every ultrasonic sensor, but here I have using my own function. So let's look at the output. So I have opened my COM port of the serial monitor of the Arduino Uno IDE. See, here you can see that slot 1 to slot 5 is already free. So what I did is, if obstacle is detected below 15 centimeters, then please show a slot is booked on a serial monitor. So when I place an object or any obstacle in front of the sensor, it will show booked. You can see slot 1 is booked. If I placed it in on a slot 4, it will show your slot 5 is booked. Sorry, it's a misplaced. It's a slot 5, showing that slot 5 is booked. So here we can use this as this multiple ultrasonic sensor for various applications. Like, we can put all these sensors in all the directions of a robot, and we can calculate the distance or obstacle of any other obstacle in front of a robot in all the directions. Or else, particularly I have written this code for the smart parking. So where we will keeping this each and every sensors in each slot, and if any car is parked, then the distance will be measured in a particular manner, and if your distance is less than the threshold level of the distance, then we can say that the vehicle is parked. So here this is a quick review of this project. Now we'll look at the code. Now I think you can visible the code. Yes, right now. Yeah, what I did is initially I have initialized the trigger and echo pins here, and then I have taken a duration slot 1, slot 2, slot 5 of a variable long size, and then I have initialized the pin mode of the pins. Then I have written the function of ultra which initialize the ultrasonic sensor. That means which will drives the ultrasonic sensors to the find the distance, which is nothing but the high low, the trigger pulse, and also reading the pulse echo signal, and from that we are calculating the distance in centimeters, and then we are reading the each sensor's data, and we are putting that data into slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, slot 4 respective slots. And here we are given a condition that if a slot 1 is less than 15 centimeters, then book slot 1 is free, else slot 1 is free. This is the same lines of code which we have written for the multiple slots. So finally what I would like to conclude is this multiple ultrasonic sensor project will be used for various applications. According to your application you can use it. So for that I am giving my code in the link in the description, and please do subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please do hit a button. Thank you.